Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to remove Facebook account from Instagram. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right. In here, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. And then go to Settings, the one with the gear icon. Once you tap on it, go to Account Center by Meta. Wait for it to finish loading. On Account Center, go to Accounts. And then in here, you will see your accounts. You will see Facebook. All you have to do is click on the button that says Remove. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.